उबल में, केरी में, राख में, समझ गए, गरम में, इसमें दबाएं। जब दबाएंगे वो गर्म हो जाएगा, ऊपर वाला छिलका जल जाएगा, ऊपर वाला छिलका हटा लें और इसको दबा के इसको नचोड़े और इसका पानी निकालें। अब इसका पानी और शहद हम मसा सुबह शाम दोपहर जितनी भी जरूरत हो 2 चम्मच ले सकते हैं। हर किस्म की खांसी, सांस का मसला हल। शहद ले लें।
Try this. But first, I'd like you to breathe in through your nose as you inhale. Come on. Keep breathing in. Then exhale out of your mouth. Now, what I want you to do, either hand, you're going to feel for a point on the fleshy part of your thumb side, right in this area, in your hand. Find that tender point. Go ahead and push it. When you get it, push it nice and deep. Now, what I want you to do is hold that point. You'll start to feel changes behind the nasal area. Now, I want you to take a deep breath through the nose. Watch how much deeper you can breathe. So let's go. Your lungs will continue to open up and expand much more easier. Let's go. Keep breathing. You can blow it out of your mouth after. Hold this point up to 60 seconds. You're going to see a tremendous change in your breathing capacity. Try it. You'll be shocked. If you're having any